Hey, what's happening, everybody? Wanted to put a little preface video on this one. This is going to be a short video. I was in Covington, Tennessee, traveling, and it was very cold, very wet, and I was very sick. So I didn't do all the video I should have done. Let's describe the dealership experience. It's interesting to say the least. They weren't really too pleased with my videography in the first place. So without further ado, enjoy the video. So here we go. Naturally, it's raining out here. Pretty much expected that. So here it is. Found the truck. We came out and looked at it yesterday, and the batteries are shot, so I'm not going to be able to start it in this video, but I will show it running in the other one. I'll be right here. Not too bad. Rubber seems to be in good shape, and I'll show that here in just a second. Got pretty good rubber on it. We did all the stuff we'd normally do. Check for blow-by, check the tanks, check the air. But this is more or less to just show the condition of it. She is definitely a dirty girl. That's alright. Get a good view of the sleeper here. Telling what the condition of these things are, what works, but it looks like the AC and heat work. The heat came on anyway. There's a dashboard. Not my best filmmaking. I'm still trying to figure out this gimbal. Well, yeah, I think I've decided instead of driving it, I'm just going to have it shipped. Seems to be a little bit easier. Pretty good. Throw up another video here in a minute. I hope you guys enjoy this short video. I'm going to put out another one right away. I've already got enough footage to do it. So hopefully my video taking skills get better and my video editing skills get a little bit better. But I think we're along for a fun ride here. If you haven't already, like the video, lets YouTube know we're doing the right things. And if you're interested to see more, be sure and hit subscribe. It helps me. Thanks a lot.